Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you the latest news and new bag collection from Louis Vuitton. I'm going to share to you all the information that you need to know, from names, product codes, prices, launch dates, and features. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availability, kindly check with your CAs and the website. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, I'm so excited to share the latest collection of LV. For today, we are going to feature the preview or the sneak peek of Louis Vuitton's Resort 2026 collection. Kindly take note that prices, SKU, and more photos will be available once I have more information. I'll be creating a separate vlog. For the very first one, guys, for the Resort Cruise 2026 collection, let us start first with the Never Fall PM. So the material, guys, take note, is the canvas with micro monogram detail, cowhide leather trims. It comes with, of course, with the Louis Vuitton, the LV vintage print design. Of course, it would come with detachable canvas pochette. So next on the Cruise 2026 collection, so we have the very beautiful Alma BB. So as you know, I have my forever crush on this bag. So it would come with the same material. So this is the close-up view. So as you're going to see, it comes with the vintage design or print on the front of the Alma BB. Of course, it would come with the canvas detail, and of course the monogram is in the micro monogram size. It would come with the classic Alma PM size. Same goes with the keypal. So this one, so for the size, please do stand by. So it would have the same features. So as you're going to see close up, so this is the sticker or the print of the Louis Vuitton trunk bags. Of course, it would come with untreated leather vachetta trims. It would come with leather bag tag. Of course, it would come with detachable and adjustable leather shoulder strap as well. So next, guys, how beautiful is this key pouch? Definitely a collector's piece. So material is coated canvas with micro monogram, and of course it would come with cowhide leather trims. This is a close-up look, so we are going to see two different colors or patterns of the canvas. It would be the spin stripes of the white, then there is brown, and of course the monogram is in color like banana yellow. Of course, this one would come with gold hardware. Same with the on the go. So this time, so as you can see, the Louis Vuitton vintage design or print is in the color blue, and as you can see, the combination of the pinstripes are now like peach and white colorway. It would still come with the untreated vachetta leather trim with detachable and adjustable leather strap. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now, guys, to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you, guys! Alright, let us discuss more from the Cruise 2026 collection. Let us discuss the very unique and one-of-a-kind bag. So first, we have the Bagalo. Hopefully, I'm pronouncing that right. So as we can see, I'm feeling that this would be made of calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. So the bag is designed like a bungalow. thus the name of the bag. Then of course it comes with detachable leather strap and detachable chain strap. Super cool and super unique, definitely a collector's piece. Another one would be the It Can bag. So material is calfskin leather, so like the metallic or maybe the patent version with cowhide leather trims. So the bag is designed like a soda can. As you can see, of course, it comes with detachable chain straps. Although this design, guys, is very reminiscent of the classic Moschino, which actually I have some of their bags, and this is one of the bags that Moschino had in the past. Then of course, guys, we have the yoga mat. So if you want a little bit more bougie or screams LV yoga mat, then definitely order this one. So of course the material is in the yoga mat rubber, and it would come with the Louis Vuitton pink monogram detail, the entirety of the rubber mat. Then of course it would come with cowhide leather trims. Then of course, how beautiful is this ping pong or table tennis bag charm. As we could see, I love the colorway of the monogram. So hopefully they're going to make more. It kind of reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Escal collection. Do you remember that, guys? So as you can see, this ping pong bag charm is made entirely of course, combination of coated canvas and vachetta leather trips. And I love the teeny tiny tennis ball charm. Then of course, guys, another beauty, we have ice cream bag charms. As you know, just like myself, if you are a collector of quirky bag charm, then definitely you need to take note of these ones. So the material is monogram canvas, then it has also a reverse monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. And as you can see, the ice cream is made of mink fur details. It comes of course with gold hardware. And guys, still part of the cruise 2026. How gorgeous is this Capucin's mini? So the material is Tyrolean leather, and as you can see, the entirety of the bag, the monogram is made of rice beads, fringes with Louis Vuitton monogram. It would come with cowhide leather trims, and of course the leather chain strap is fully detachable and adjustable as well. Super chic and super beautiful. Then they also have a rattan bag. So first we have either a Nano Speedy or a Speedy 20. So the material of this one is rattan with cowhide leather trims, and it would come with this whip stitch technique at the edges or upsides of the Nano Speedy, and it would come with cowhide leather trims, as we could see here in the colorway like dark caramel. And of course, next we have the Alma BB in the same material. How gorgeous is this one? So I guess Louis Vuitton is also pushing this one. Maybe they really do have lots of collector in this material, just like with the Picnic Birkin. So of course the material is rattan. It would come of course with cowhide leather trims. Color is white. Then it would come with detachable leather strap, and it would come with gold tone hardware. This is really perfect for your spring summer getaway. Then of course they're going to release for the cruise 2026 a different color variation of the pochette class size large. So the material is Amphant leather, then it would come with cowhide leather trims. Colorway, as you can see, we have pink, we have orange, then we have blue, then the hardware is in the gold tone colorway. How beautiful is this one? So hopefully I'm right. If it's not an Amphant leather, so maybe it's made of fabric or canvas. Then guys, we have the Neverfull BB inside out. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is orange. It would come with detachable leather pochette, as we could see here, a detachable leather and canvas strap, and of course it would come with gold tone hardware. So as you can see, guys, it is reversible, so you could use the monogram canvas and then you could use the leather interior. Then of course, guys, how gorgeous and perfect for parties, we have the very beautiful slim trunk. Materials calfskin leather or maybe even suede leather, and it would come with cowhide leather trims, and it would be embellished entirely with rhinestones. All of the Louis Vuitton monogram would be made of rhinestone, which is so gorgeous. That's why maybe I'm guessing this is made of suede leather. Then let us discuss more Capucines from the Cruise 2026 collection. So the first one, we have the Capucines BB. Material is Tyrolean leather with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable bead strap, as we could see. Then of course detachable leather strap, which is fully adjustable as well. And of course it would come in gold hardware. So next on the collection for the Cruise 2026, same bag but different colorway. So we have Capucines BB. So this time it's in color noir. Same material, Tyrolean leather with cowhide leather trims. This is the close-up view of the detachable bead strap. Kind of reminds me of maybe a Baroque-esque kind of rosary beads. What do you think? Alright, so next on the collection, so we have this material in the micro monogram leather. First, we have the nano, either the nano size or the 20th size of Speedy. Material calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims in the microgram or micro monogram detail. Colorway, not the official name, coffee latte. It would come with detachable leather strap and it would come with gold tone hardware. I love that it comes with the micro monogram because it is a little bit understated. Just look how buttery, soft, and gorgeous this Alma GM Soft is. Material calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims with the micro monogram or micro monogram detail. So this is the close-up view. Colorway, unofficial, is coffee latte with detachable leather strap with key clochette, and of course it would come in a lock and key set as well. Perfect for travel. Then we have this very gorgeous Diane bag. Love, love, love this Diane bag. I would definitely choose this material over the classic monogram canvas anytime. So materials calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. As you can see, this is the microgram or the micro monogram detail. Colorway unofficial would be the cafe latte with detachable leather shoulder strap and detachable leather crossbody strap. It would come in a pink colorway, as you can see here. So for the pink girlies out there, this is the collection for you. So Alma BB materials calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims, microgram or the micro monogram detail. Colorway is like the light pink colorway, super cute, super girly. It would come with detachable leather strap, key clochette, and of course lock and key set as well. Just like with this all in BB, so gorgeous. So same material from the Cruise 2026 line. So this is the close-up view. As you can see, guys, even though we're closing it up a little bit, you cannot really see the Louis Vuitton monogram, which is more chic and a little bit more understated in my opinion, guys. Of course, this all in BB would come with a detachable leather pochette. And then of course, guys, just look how cute this vitrine wallet is. So materials calfskin leather, cowhide leather trim. So this is the close-up view. And of course, it would come with the microgram or micro monogram detail. Colorway is pink with gold hardware. And this is still part of the Cruise 2026 collection. Gorgeous, really perfect. Of course, it's made of leather, so you could be assured this is going to be hardware. How gorgeous is this bag, guys? So we have the vanity chain pouch. Just kindly take note that the vanity chain pouch, this is the slimmer version of the vanity PM bag of LV. So it would come with the same design. So materials calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims with the microgram detail. Colorway, I'm not really sure, but I'm thinking this is in the ochre yellow colorway. It would come with detachable leather strap. Same with the vitrine wallet. Same material of calfskin with the microgram detail or micro monogram. So but this one, guys, a little bit confused because it doesn't have the gold stud on front of the vitrine wallet. So this is still part of the Cruise 2026. Which one is your favorite, guys? Please do comment down below. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!